Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Adobe Creative Cloud error MS-VCP140.dll and VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. So guys, to resolve this issue, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, open any web browser. Now here type Visual C++ 2015 Redis Tree Bootable 2019. Then press enter. Now open this first official link. Here you can select as your PC requirement like 64-bit or 32-bit. Most of case people are using 64-bit PC. So click this link. Now double click on this setup file. Now select this box. Then click on install. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now must you restart your PC to complete this process. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix and resolve Adobe Creative Cloud error MS-VCP 140.dll and VC Runtime 140.dll was not found. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.